children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping healthy and well. Today we are here with a Christmassy decoration for you all. This is Christmas season and we all are getting ready for Christmas by doing our shoppings, by cleaning the house and doing so many things. And today we have a fun, nice activity for you all to decorate your house and the Christmas tree, which you will enjoy. So let's begin. So children, for the candy stick which we are making, we need a cardboard this way, cut with this shape, the candy shape, and I've used a cardboard here. Then we need some glitter paper, red, white. If you don't want this glitter paper, you can use plain paper, plain foam paper, plain red and white paper, or you can even use bindis to stick. It will become easy for you all. And when you're making this on a foam paper, you either use a big circle or a small. This is the cover of a bottle. You have to place it on the other side, the inner side of the paper, and then make a circle with the pencil, and you have to cut it with the scissor. Okay, so cut the circle. Here I have cut and kept some circles. These are the circles which I am going to use for the video. Yes, you can get plain foam, or you can get shining one, or you can use bindis. Then you need some Fevicol for it. I'm using a brush to put the Fevicol so I don't dirty my hand every time, and we need a ribbon for hanging. Okay, so these are the things that we need. So we will just begin with our sticking. So first thing I will put is a red color. Yes, put the Fevicol all around it. And start sticking from the other side. This I have painted white because it will be the back side. You can paint red, white, or you can stick a white color paper. And this side I am going to do the sticking of the foam. Okay, I am using the shining ones so it looks nice daytime and nighttime also, and on the Christmas tree. Okay, little overlapping it on each other so that it looks nice. Okay, children, either apply glue to the full candy stick here like this, or on the circles like how I had shown you. Yeah, this way. See, part by part, or on this also you can apply, no problem. Now since I have put on this, I will start sticking it directly. And when I'm sticking the alternate ones, the red, then the white, red, white, like that. So it looks nice and bright, and this is the proper color also. Okay, we'll put on the white color now. Okay. Then we'll put the red again. I'm putting the glue a little extra so that it sticks nicely, because this is a foam paper and this is cardboard, so it needs a little extra glue. Yeah. So then again a white. So children, this is the last one which we are going to put here. This way. So I hope this looks nice and beautiful, nice colorful also. Then we use a ribbon. A ribbon, you have to take a string like this and overlap it on each other. Put little glue just to stick it. You have to leave it for a little while so that it gets stick to each other. And then you turn your candy stick, and this behind part also you have to stick this. Okay, this way, and let it dry, then it will look nice. So children, this is the decoration which you will enjoy making for the Christmas, and this will make you feel wow. And then you can put it on your Christmas tree, decorate your house with it, and do enjoy your Christmas with nice different things, that is decoration and lot of gifts coming in, giving of gifts and many things. No, some sweets also to eat which mama makes. So do enjoy and have a nice time. A joyful Christmas and a prosperous New Year to all of you all.